Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer contacts into Keap from HubSpot, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer contacts from HubSpot into Keap, begin by logging into both your HubSpot and Keap accounts. In HubSpot, navigate to your contacts by clicking on the Contacts tab in the main menu. Select all contacts to view the complete list of contacts you have in HubSpot. Once on the All Contacts page, look for the Export option, usually found in the top right corner. Click on Export and choose the file type for your export, preferably CSV, for compatibility. Confirm your export settings and click Export. After a few moments, HubSpot will prepare your file and send a download link to your email. Open that email and download the CSV file to your computer. Now, log in to your Keap account. Once logged in, go to the Contacts section in Keap. Look for the Import button, typically found in the navigation menu. Click on Import and follow the prompts to start the import process. You will be asked to upload the CSV file you exported from HubSpot. Select the file from your computer and click Next. Keap will then guide you through mapping the fields from your HubSpot data to the corresponding fields in Keap. Ensure that all necessary fields are correctly matched. Once you have confirmed the mapping, proceed by clicking on Import. Keap will now begin importing your contacts from the CSV file. You will receive a notification once the import is complete. Review your contacts in Keap to ensure that all data has been accurately transferred. If any adjustments are needed, you can manually edit the contacts in Keap. Your HubSpot contacts are now successfully transferred into Keap. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.